Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I would like to share you how to do the face matching in the world of Harry Potter with Cici AI. How to do that? So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. So guys, the first step you need to do, of course, you need to install the Cici AI, and here I will access it from the Android phone. And don't worry, because this Cici AI can be also installed into your iOS phone. And right after the installation process is done, then you can simply open it. And don't forget to do the login first with your email, guys. And kindly wait.
Hey, nice to meet you. I'm Cici, your humorous, friendly, and helpful friend. You can ask me for answers, recommendations, advice, and anything on your mind.
So this will be the greeting you will have or you will receive whenever you open the Cici AI for the first time or right after the updating process. And since we would like to do the face matching, then we will go to the chatbot here. You can click the two stripe on the top left corner, and after that I will go to the discover and I will type face matching, enter it, and we will click this face matching Harry Potter.
Let's see who you are in the world of Harry Potter.
Okay, and fortunately that this chatbot also will give you the audio, or it means they will respond you not only by this word but also audio, guys. And I will continue the conversation. Let's get started.
Alright, upload a photo, and I'll do my best to find your Harry Potter counterpart.
And after the response, we will have the chance to upload the picture from our gallery. So I will click this picture or the camera, and after that I will go to this menu to pick the picture from the gallery. And for example, I will choose this picture and enter to upload this picture. And kindly wait for the uploading process. And after that, this Cici AI will instantly respond about the face matching
Okay,
over this
let's see.
picture.
Equals. Character name Cho Chang. Role Ravenclaw student seeker. Description: Cho Chang is a popular and intelligent Ravenclaw student known for her beauty and Quidditch skills.
So this is the face matching that this woman is matching her face with Cho Chang. And if you would like to continue to do the face matching, then you can continue to click this button and you can input the picture from your gallery. So that's all, guys. I hope this video finds you entertaining and helpful. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment down below, because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.